all safe by staying at home. Dear children, in the last class we discussed about the introduction of graphs and plotting the points on the graph. Okay, so along with that is some of the examples and exercise problems also we completed. Okay, so now in that is exercise short answers problems is we have to be do that is okay. So one problem is what given, one is what to be observed. Okay, so days and temperature. Okay, he took that is 10 days is 8 and temperature also he took that is okay. So that is 8 degrees Celsius. Yes. So now first day is how much there means is 40.5 degrees Celsius is there. Second day 41, third day is 39, fourth day is 40. Like there is a ninth day will becomes 38 and 10th day will becomes is 39. Okay. So this information is given in the problem now. Okay. So then what you have to find that is we have to be draw the graph. Yes, for this data we have to be draw the graph. Yes, the children when you analysis the days and temperature, days we have to take it on the x-axis and temperature we should be taking on the y-axis. Yes, so now days is started from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 10 is. Okay, so it means is while taking on the x-axis is having the result each 1 centimeter will become is how much we should take the children. So 1 centimeter we have to take it as a 1 day. Yes. So then that is 1 day. Next, as well as on y-axis. See children that temperature is started from the first day is 40.5. In that is the lowest value, how much is there you have to be observed. Okay, how much is children lowest value in that is 38 is lowest is there. Yes or no children? Okay, so now from here is 8, 0 to here will become is 38. We have to take it now. As well as 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 is at highest is it. Yes or no children? So there also you have to take it as a on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 degree Celsius. 1 degree Celsius we are taking now. Yes. So now on x-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 day. It means is a given as a day's name is not mentioned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only mentioned. No. So that's why we have to write it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Yes. So that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes. But actually in our question we are having only 10 days. Okay. So on the x-axis is if you are having more is it centimeters also you have to be taking that. Or otherwise you can be stopped at 10 place only. As I wish that is. Yes. So next, after is the temperature we want to be short is the lowest will becomes 38 is there. Yes or no children? Okay, so now both is the meeting point of the x-axis and y-axis we have to take it as a origin is O. Or z 0 will becomes here the point is. Yes. So now we have to be start from the 38. We should not take it as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. If I take it like that means is that how many centimeters are required children? The graph sheet will becomes is 44 centimeters the sheet is required. Yes, is a too large no? So that's why what we want to do that means is to adjustable that is the graph is. Yes, to adjustable the graph is what you want to take that means is lowest value onwards so you have to be take it on y-axis. What is the lowest value children in that is 38. Yes or no? So now 38 is first you have to take it now. Yes, so now 0 to 38 we don't have any temperature. Yes or no children? So that purpose is that what we want to take means is 0 to 38 we don't have any value. So that's why is it from 0 to 38 is we should put as a one curve or z shape you have to be draw that is. Okay, so this is a 38. Next 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Yes. So then after that identify on the x-axis and y-axis value. First day how much the temperature is children? 40.5. Okay, on first day how much is children? 40.5 no? So 40 and 41 between them is 40.5 we should be getting. Okay, so straight for one is the first is 40.5. Okay, so once you have to write the children on x-axis you are taking as a days, on y-axis is temperature you are taking now. Yes. So next second day is how much children? 41. Yes. So now second day is 41 will become is here we should be getting children. So that is 41. Next Third day is how much is children? 39. Okay, so third day 39 how to plot, that is exactly you should get 39. Yes. Next, after it becomes a fourth day. Fourth day is a 40. Fourth day 40. Yes. So now 40 exactly we are having now fourth. Next, fifth day. Fifth day is how much children? 42 is here. Okay, so fifth day 42. 42 is here now. Yes. So here we should get 42. Next, sixth is 43. On sixth day we have to take that 43. Okay, so 43 will becomes here we should get. Next, after it becomes the seventh day 44. Seventh day 44. Next, eighth day. Eighth day is how much children? Temperature is 40. 40 will become 6. Eighth day. Next, ninth day. Ninth day will become 38 is it? Ninth day 38. Okay, 38 is completely came down now. Ninth day 38. Next, on 10th day 39. 39 on 10th day. Yes, so after plotting this all the points is we have to be joined, that is by using the scale. Okay, so that's it on first day. Next, second day. Next, after this. Next, after this becomes this. Next, ninth day and 10th day. Okay, yes, so this is the process to draw the graph of the given data. Dear children, understand now? I hope you are all understood about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact to me. And what we are sending the homework and the classwork must you have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you. Jai Sri Gurudev.